Let's take a little bit of time and talk through the student guide because it's going to be really important to your success in this class. So what is the student guide? Well, first of all, it's your textbook. It's where you're going to read and learn and be able to take notes. It's an interactive textbook, so you can write in it. There are videos embedded in it, so that when it's best to show something through a video, you can watch the video. And then last of all, there are assignments in your student guide which you will do and then turn in. So your student guide is really, really important, and you need to learn a little bit more about it. Where can you always find your student guide? It's in your CCSD drive, for where you find all of your Google Docs. And you'll find it if you look down in the menu. There's a menu that says Shared with Me, and when you click on that, you'll find your student guide for each module. Who uses the student guide? What's interesting is that it's not going to be just you. It's a document that's yours, but your teacher will have access to it and can give you feedback. So if you look under Shared, when you've got it open, you'll see that your teacher owns the document, the student guide, and you've got rights to edit it and change it. That's going to be really helpful because when you put in your answers wherever you see the little pencil icon, and you fill in your answers, your teacher is then going to be able to make comments right inside your student guide. Let's look at how you use the student guide. First of all, we've talked about the pencil icon. That means that you're going to have to respond in some way inside the student guide. Sometimes you will see a drawing window, and it will tell you to double click on something to open up the drawing window. And when you do that, you get a drawing palette, and you can move things around and label them and add to them, anything like that that you want to. And then you save your work in your Google Doc. The other thing to look out for is there will be places where you will see a big yellow arrow. This is the Turn It In icon. And it means that at that point in the student guide, you need to go back into Canvas and do an assignment. Usually the assignment will simply be to take what you've typed in the gray box and cut and paste it into the answers in Canvas. There's a really nice navigation feature in the student guide. It's on the left-hand side, and what it does is it opens up a table of contents for you. You can see the whole student guide at one glance. And it always shows you in blue right where you are. So if you need to move through the student guide, you can use the other pieces as links to get to where you need to go. Let's add it all up. What have we learned about the student guide? First of all, it's your textbook, it's your videos, it's your notes, and it's your assignments. It's online, and you keep it in My Drive. But remember that you are going to give your teacher rights to it, so that as you work through it, your teacher can give you feedback. Your student guide is where you follow the instructions for doing the work. And one last thing that's really, really important. If anything goes wrong or you don't understand it, you need to let your teacher know so that your teacher can help you.